Hey, what's up, you guys? Just recently got my hair retwisted. As you can see, my hair looks so lovely. I quite enjoy it a lot. This is like the first month. So month number 1, this is my progress. It looks so good. And it's already locking up in some places. And some places had to be redone because once I had washed it, a couple of them unraveled actually. So that happened, and I dealt with that by getting it redone. The back of my hair experienced a lot of shrinking, and I don't know why, but I guess that's how it's supposed to be because it doesn't have room to stretch like the rest of them. I don't know. I just can't wait till I get to a length to where I don't have to deal with this. But I'm enjoying my hair because I know how long my hair really is, That's all that matters to me is that I'm confident and I'm happy and I know who I am. And can't nobody tell me who I am. Can't nobody change my mind about me. Can't nobody necessarily steer me in their own path. You know what I'm saying? So life is pretty good. You really get to know your real self when you have to be out there and vulnerable and really like have yourself out there. If you've never done that before in an uncomfortable situation and you had to fight for your confidence and show people you know who you are, then you'll never know what I'm talking about. But you guys, I'm enjoying the journey. Like I said, this is month number 1. Month number 1. See? My hair is beautiful. Very beautiful, very long. And I'm loving it because it's growing so fast. Like, y'all, my hair is growing really fast. Like, and I think because of me taking vitamins as well, too. Like, y'all just don't know. Taking supplements every day, you can see a difference in your body rather than others' bodies, especially as far as like skin and hair and nail care. You look at other people's and you're like, ooh. That's because they're lacking in something, some kind of substance, and they're not even tending to it. You know what I'm saying? And that's very important as us human beings, as us black melanated people. We need to make sure we are getting all of our supplements. You guys, actually looks like it's about to rain. I was going to take my kids to the park, but I guess not now because it looks like it's going to pour down. But as you can see, my hair. It's retwisted. And I love it. So, yeah. Everything is good over here. I'm just enjoying the weather. Lily's still hiding. Isabel's still hiding. But alright, guys. See you soon.